Hey guys, I'm eating. McDonald's.
And about the what? The coleslaw?
We have our own coleslaw.
Huh?
We have our own coleslaw.
I know, but I'm asking if I don't want mine. You want the coleslaw?
Mom, is there
Nothing.
any extra sweet and sour sauce in the food? You're supposed to.
Do you want it? Sydney?
No, we
I
eat
said-
some of the rice here.
What's that? That's
Sweet
duck
and
sauce.
sour. But that's what it is. But McDonald's have their version of sweet and sour.
Daniel, here. You want mine? Here, take it.
Make him taste it, Daniel, because you will like it. That one is sweeter than McDonald's one.
Take it.
Oh, you want one pineapple? The guy at the vegetable store said me for cut it off,
Subscribe.
put it in the freezer and say it's good for inflammatory. I didn't know that since the accident. Pineapple, eat it quite good for body ache. So I tell the guys them to give me 2. And then you know plantain
Ali, I
and
just
buy
share
the
that with
case
me.
now $30.
Can you share that with me?
So
Sure what?
That,
give me a
Why
good
you
deal
didn't
for
say
the
that? Why
plantain
did
and
you
through the
give it
deal
to
was
me
so
then if you're
good.
gonna start asking?
because I need some for my food.
$12.
Take it back.
So I'm take it $4 when I did reasonable. Yeah. I'm a carry on
I'ma
get
give
Polly
you
because
some.
Polly love plantain. I'm a give Jackie them one to my share up. I'm gonna give the one to my guys them at the precinct. You couldn't beat that, mommy. $30. $120 to $30.
That you didn't have.
Sorry. No, me go to buy a box of plantain. Cause two them love a plantain and a 3 plantain for $2,
Mom, can you
mommy.
go take off the stove?
Oh, sorry, 3 plantain.
So you know what
for
my
$2.
brother and sister.
You understand me, sir?
I was over there. Over there eating Popeyes. My grandma.
Stop putting me on camera. Can you stop recording this? In the next video, I'm gonna pull an epic prank on my sister. Cisco.